From this video, I am going to discuss the question set 2. Here, the Board of Directors of Sandun Productions has decided to include all of their company informations into a computer software. So, the software was commissioned by Tirunagarathu Soft, and you are the senior software engineer of this software development company, and your team has been assigned to create this database. Create the database need to store information in this software. So the first question is use Sandra Production DB for the name of the database. To create this, first I have to open Heidi. This is the query we use to create the database Sandra Production DB. After executing this, you can see here how the database has been created. Let's go to the second question. The second question is create a table called employee to store employee information and follow these instructions below to create it. Here they have given all the column names to us and employee registration number, first name, last name, gender and contact number, and all the data types, varchar, and the length. Let's create the table now. This is the query we use to create the table employee, and I have set employee registration number as the primary key here. After executing this, we can see the table that has been created with the above columns. Here we can see a orange color key because that is the primary key. Let's go to the third question now. Create a table name product to store product information. Follow the instructions below to create it. So they have given the column names here, product ID, product name and the brand, and the data types and the lengths. Let's create the product table now. This is the query we use to create the table product. Here I have set the primary key as the product ID. After executing this, we can see the table that has been created here and with above columns. Here the orange key is the primary key. Let's discuss the last question. What are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table above? So here, since the product ID is a primary key, the data will be not repeating in this column. And the product name, if we take the product name, it will be repeating, but we can't do anything about it actually. So if we take the brand out of this table and make a separate table for the brand and make a primary key out of it like brand ID, and forwarding the brand table to this product table, we can get a brand ID column here. After taking the brand ID column, it will only appear an integer then, and the amount of characters that gonna be repeat will be less.